Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Group 6 from MGM01 SP. Today, we're gonna present about our discussion from the portfolio of evidence 5 until 8. The materials are new retail, new logistics, finance, and new manufacturing. My name is Alia, and my friends, there are Atifa Azahra, Amelia Resantiara Muzaki, and Najwa. New retail, redefine people, product, and place on Tokopedia. Digital transformation on Tokopedia. Before Tokopedia exists, people make a purchase in the wholesale market, fell to get the lowest price because of the small purchase quantity, writer account books, and inventory records. They make a purchase based on experience, know little about trendy consumer brands, and the pricing according to the experience. After Tokopedia exists, they can order goods through Tokopedia platforms, then goods will be delivered to your home. Transparent business data, suggestion of product pricing are proposed based on the store status, customer filters, and city dynamics, and combined with the big data. Redefine people from fake segmentation to dynamic profile. Fake segmentation on Tokopedia, they have fake market segmentation, a fake and extensive target customer segments, and incomprehensive and dynamic profile on Tokopedia. They have gender, age, income characteristics, motive to buy, and life stage. Redefine products from commodities to service and experience. Merchandise on Tokopedia in the past meets only the demands of consumers, such as price and cost performance, product availability, product function, product durability, and retail service. In new retail on Tokopedia meets the new demands, such as merchandise, service, and content. In merchandise, they include variety and quality, and experience include sharing and community, participant and involvement, and in a service, it includes convenient, flexible, personalized, and seamless. Redefine place, occasion beyond the contracts of time and location. In online, Tokopedia make their platforms to be convenient and efficient for their customers. In offline, Tokopedia build trust. Tokopedia make their customer have a good experience. New retail redefines the three core elements of retail as well as their inner relationship. Core elements of retail such as customer on Tokopedia, merchandise on Tokopedia, and the store that sells their product on Tokopedia. Redefine the traditional core elements of retailing: people, product, and place. People is customer and seller who use Tokopedia. Place is Tokopedia platforms, and the product is the product that's sold on Tokopedia. The next topic is the new logistic in Indonesia, Tokopedia digitalization enabling platform of logistic. The choice of Tokopedia networks. Tokopedia logistic networks. Tokopedia has GNT, Pos Indonesia, Si Cepat, Ninja Express, Tiki, Antar Aja, ID Express, Gojek, Indosiar, and GrabSend. The Tokopedia mission. Tokopedia started their business in 2009, and then Tokopedia became the first company in Southeast Asia to raise $100 million funding from SoftBank and Sequoia, and then they pioneered instant delivery with the ride-hailing companies. Tokopedia entered digital goods and vintage business. Tokopedia raised $1.1 billion funding led by Alibaba Group. Tokopedia raised $1.1 billion funding led by SoftBank Vision Fund and Alibaba Group. And then Tokopedia introduced Tokopedia Salam in 2019. And then Tokopedia launched local service.
Next, we have Tokopedia logistic value chain. The first one is inbound logistics. Tokopedia carries out activities related to receiving, storing, and distributing inputs / raw materials, such as handling raw materials, warehousing, inventory control, vehicle schedules, and return to suppliers. The next one is operations. Tokopedia carries out activities related to converting inputs or raw materials into final product forms, such as machining, packaging, assembly, equipment, maintenance, testing, printing, and other related to the operation or production process. Next one, we have outbound logistics. Tokopedia provides expedition/delivery services such as JNE, Tiki, Indonesian post offices, and other types of delivery and payment services such as bank transfers or COD, known as cash on delivery. Next, we have marketing and sales. Tokopedia makes attractive appearances and features to attract buyers, such as colors, models, and types, and even brands on marketed shoe products. Advertising strategies on other sites are also carried out by providing discounts and purchase coupons. Next, we have service. Tokopedia provides appropriate and fast service, both in shipping and even responding to orders and customer complaints. Next, we have smart warehousing. This is how Tokopedia warehousing works. First, you send the products to the nearest Tokopedia warehouse, and then the product will be received by the Tokopedia warehouse. And then your products will be distributed to various Tokopedia warehouse. And if the buyers buy products in your shop, the Tokopedia warehouse will pack and ship your own products, and the settlement of transaction problems will be handled by Tokopedia warehouse. This next one is smart transportation. This is one of the few smart transportation on Tokopedia Logistic. First, we have a plane from GNT Express, trucks from GNA, and also GoSend from Gojek. The next one is smart distribution. This is the people who ship the packages to the buyers. They have GPS location tracking, customer communication, and also smart loading system. The next one is smart pickup. You can choose to pick up your own packages at Tokopedia. You can choose to pick them up at your nearest Indomaret. The next one is smart zone coding/A shipping label. This is an A shipping label from Tokopedia. It has details from your purchases and also a barcode for the shippers to scan if the package has arrived at your house. Next, we're gonna talk about new finance. This is the basic operational roadblocks in the modern context of Tokopedia. First, we have operating expenses and then limitation on available hours due to requiring physical presence and slow process, high fees, little to no incentive for savings, ATM network issues, particularly in emerging markets, and then not well integrated into online life.
Tokopedia unserved and underserved market. Financial service provided would not have served many of the mass market customers in emerging market. Point 1. Individuals. Individuals are looking for more convenient and secure ways to accumulate, hold, and transfer value. Point 2. Entrepreneur and SME. Entrepreneur and SME owners have innovative ideas and considerable energy but need service, market, and capital to thrive. Constraints of finance inclusion in Indonesia. Number 1, business model. The bank typically rely on customer deposit revenue to offset operating costs. It is not well suited to lower until income markets where customer deposits are scarce. Number 2, inefficiency. Credit risk model. The lack of surveillance and real-time data forces banks to adopt complex application procedure and stringent collateral-based credit risk model. Number 3, high cost of distribution and servicing. Banks have traditionally used bank branch and ATM to provide service, but bank branches are expensive to set up and operate. These channels do not make economic sense in many developing market locales, particularly in rural areas with smaller and lower density population. Opportunity in technology. The use of digital payment is the main payment method on Tokopedia. Mobile phone ownership among the unbanked varies across economic but tends to be high. That's why Tokopedia provides COD payment methods for their unbanked customers. More people who have an account are using it for digital payment to have a transaction on Tokopedia. The benefit of shifting to digital payments of transaction on Tokopedia. Number 1, improve their efficiency by increasing the speed of payments and reducing the cost of distributing and receiving them. Number 2, enhance the security of payments and thus lower the incidence of associated crime. Number 3, increase transparency and reduce corruption. Number 4 lead to substantial increase in saving as well as the substitution. Vintage inclusion effect to Tokopedia payment method. Expand user from digital payment has also fueled a rise in digital lending. In most cities of Indonesia, digital payment services are evolving into digital lending. As companies accumulate user data and develop ways to use it for credit-worthiness analysis. Tokopedia Lending, which use digital platform to directly connect lenders to borrowers. Blockchains, expanding cloud capabilities to meet e-commerce demands. Tokopedia needed to expand its cloud networking capabilities to meet the rising e-commerce demand in Indonesia while ensuring an optimized quality of experience for customers. However, without its own dedicated networking backbone, dynamically scaling bandwidth between cloud environments to support and meet the changing end user usage demand profile to be a challenge. It wants a solution that could seamlessly deliver connection consistently, even with large bandwidth requirements. Tokopedia operates its e-commerce infrastructure on 3 different CSP. However, this provides to be a challenge without a unified cloud networking solution with a clear controller dashboard to manage its cloud service. Traditional network service had not been able to efficiently support Tokopedia requirement at short notice, which was blocking e-commerce business during peak shopping season, creating revenue loss and unsatisfied customer. New manufacturing in Indonesia. Shifting the manufacturing paradigm into a new age in Indonesia, Tokopedia increasingly globalized nature has given customer access to a wider variety of high quality and diverse products that are delivered in an increasingly efficient time frame. The result is a transformation of the entire supply chains and industry. Small batch of a wide variety of products can be produced, reproduced, and refilled in no time. This provides greater control over product quality, cost, and delivery time.
C2C mindset application in Tokopedia manufacture industry. Tokopedia with its C2C or customer-to-customer online marketplace business model is one of the largest and fastest growing internet companies in Indonesia. This study aims to answer several phenomena that occur within the company, among others, to find out the opportunities that Tokopedia has in getting investment from foreign parties through an internal perspective. The effect of foreign investment research on its vision, revenue plans, and to evaluate the business model to recommend improvements to the previous business model. Traditional via smart manufacturing. Traditional manufacturing. Customers simply shop for the products available at the brick-and-mortar store. They seldom directly convey their requirement to the supplier because of expensive transaction costs. On the other hand, suppliers are difficult to produce customized goods, as most of the traditional supply chains are not fit for customization process. Smart manufacturing during this era. Customers can express their thought about the products they receive simply by rating column that Tokopedia provides. Now, with advanced technology and big data, some innovative sellers on Tokopedia start to offer some product with larger order with lower cost. Digital transformation, customization concept. First, customer experience, and then professionalism and efficiency, and then individual design. Digital transformation milestone. Digitization, changing from analog or physical to digital form. Digitalization, using a digital technology and information to transform individual institutional operation. Digital transformation, a series of deep and coordinated culture, workforce, and technology shifts that enable new educational and operating models and transform an institution operation, strategic direction, and value proposition. Digital transformation, manufacture process, material planning to material cutting to edge bending to punching to sorting. Digital transformation, three driving force. Tokopedia is responsible for the design of enterprise digital transformation, digital technology development, data processing, optimization of organization and workflow, and etc. Number two, Tokopedia is responsible for the design, R&D, and implementation of 3D VR or DIY home platform, a front and back-end integrated digital platform for customer DIY design, professional design of store, automatic generation of 3D models of factory orders, and seamless integration of workshop equipment. Number three, Tokopedia is assisting the design, R&D, implementation, and operation and maintenance of smart manufacturing technology. Digital transformation, digital marketing. Tokopedia consolidates the traditional marketplace channel while gradually establishing its business on new media platforms. Empower the traditional retail, engineering, home decoration channels, and assure omnichannel digital marketing. Giving loyalty gift to customer, using brand ambassador, following social media trends, actively participate in important events. Digital transformation core system. A lot of brands in Indonesia that sells their product on Tokopedia. Tokopedia is available to connect in all around Indonesia. Tokopedia has almost 5,000 employees that works in Tokopedia company and has many relation of work with. Tokopedia user can reach almost 150 million users per month.
That's all of our presentation about the portfolio of evidence 5 until 8. Thank you, everyone. We are sorry if there was any mistakes from us. Thank you and goodbye.